SongbirdTree.com, where we get grounded, take flight, and sing. And today you're going to learn how to sing without tension. 6 awesome things you need to do to sing without tension. We're going to dive right in, so I hope you're ready. Number 1, stretch and loosen your body. Tense muscles will absorb your sound, making you want to push and therefore cause massive tension. Lots of strain and pain and shame. So let's get rid of the tension in your body. So reach up to the ceiling on your tiptoes and just let your body really stretch every part out. Okay, and now we're going to bend over like this and stretch the rib cage. So you should feel this amazing stretch from underneath your armpit all the way down to your hips on one side. And then we'll move it over to the other side. Feels amazing. Next thing is to stretch your neck. So just gently pushing your head down, and I do reiterate gently, okay? And then in order to get an even deeper stretch, just reach your arm up and drop it like it weighs a ton. And let's do the same thing over on the other side. So just gently bringing your head down, then raise your arm up and drop it like it weighs a ton to get that deeper stretch in the neck. Beautiful. Now let's just stretch our shoulders as well by rolling them back, getting rid of the tension in there, and also forward. And then just do a little bit of a shake, get a bit silly, do a little bit of a happy dance, whatever you like. Number 2, massage your face and jaw. We tend to unknowingly carry a lot of tension in the face and jaw, and we can't have those tense muscles absorbing your sound either. So let's get rid of the tension in your face and jaw, just by giving it a beautiful kindness massage, like this. And then also move your jaw up and down like a puppet, like this. And now stretch out your tongue like this. There. Number 3, stretch your tongue. The tongue is one of the biggest muscles in your body and is seriously a bit of a pain in the you-know-what, because it likes to bunch up and constrict in your throat. This will again prevent your vocal cords from vibrating together freely to produce a free sound. The key is to first get rid of the constriction in the tongue, especially at the base of the tongue, and then to make sure that it stays loosely down and forward when you sing. So just say a nasty ah with the tongue sticking out. Do it again. Ah! So this really helps to just get rid of the tension in the base of the tongue. And now also just say blah, 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 blah to make sure that your tongue just stays down and relaxed as you sing. Number 4, use your big support muscles. In order for your teeny tiny throat muscles to not get in the way when you sing, you've got to train yourself to switch on these bigger lower torso muscles. This will give your voice the best support it needs and ultimately help you never sing with tension again. Do this by practicing correct breathing technique. So, hands on ribcage, stretching them sideways and feel the expansion. This is the way you should be inhaling every time you sing. Not with a loud, gaspy breath that puffs up your chest and raises your shoulders like this. So, for more detailed info on how to breathe correctly, please watch this video after you finish with this one. Number 5, open your throat with a pre-yawn stretch and a soft palate lift. Your throat needs to be open in order for your vocal cords to vibrate freely together, ensuring a free sound that is without tension. Now we do this with a yawn stretch. This is where you pretend to yawn, but you don't quite yawn because, you know, that's not going to be the best look on stage. So like this. So I'm about to do a yawn, but I don't do a full yawn, but it opens everything in the throat. Why don't you try with me? Do you feel the openness? So do this action every time you prepare to sing a phrase. Now another way that we can do this is by lifting your soft palate. This is the soft tissue that is situated right at the back of the roof of your mouth. How do you lift your soft palate? Now the yawn stretch certainly does help with that, but other ways include creating the same sensation as when you sneeze. Achoo! Or also when you say k, k, k. Feel that lift in the soft palate there? And when you laugh, Singing with a sense of a constant inner laugh in the back of your throat is a fun way to ensure that you keep your soft palate lifted and sing with freedom and therefore no tension. So play around with those different ways and find which one is easiest for you to create when you are preparing to sing. Number 6, use your resonance. When you sing with resonance, you buzz the sound in front of your face and you allow it to naturally project forward. When you don't, you sing on the throat, which means more strain and pain and shame. So think of your fave food and say, Do you feel the buzz? Try it again. Now sing your notes in that same buzzy space and you will not need to sing with tension again. So there you have it, Songbird. 6 amazing things that you can work on in order to sing without tension. Thumbs up if you're looking forward to no more strain, pain and shame. Next time, I'm going to show you how to increase your vocal range. You're not going to want to miss that one, so make sure you subscribe to the channel or over at the website at songbird.com so that you really don't miss it. And of course, when you sign up at my website, I'll also give you an amazing free gift, a free singing workout video that's going to help you transform your voice. So get onto it. Please share this video with your songbird friends so that they too can learn how to sing without tension. And for daily singing tips, inspirations, vocal health tips, and other exciting stuff, including what me and my team at the Songbird Tree get up to, follow us on social media. Songbird, I am always believing in you. So go forth and get grounded, take flight, and sing freely without tension. Now, if you'd really like to go deeper in improving your voice, go and check out my Vocal Revolution program. It contains 19 video modules that I have created so that I can be your virtual vocal coach. And it also includes direct access to me and my associate coaches so that if you ever have any questions or get stuck along the way, we're here for you and you don't need to do this alone. So find out more at thesongbird.com.